welcome back to my channel. I'm just sitting on my bed because I got home from work and I had an awesome thing at my door. It's huge. Let me move my address. Okay, this big old box. And I had to hurry up and come on and film it for you guys. I'm going to edit it and get it up for you as well. So, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dee Dee. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. So in today's video, I'm unboxing the GLAMLITE Black Friday box. You guys know that I love GLAMLITE products. I have currently, I think 3 palettes from them. I have the new pie palette that came out at Christmas last year. It came in a little Christmas box. I have the 2 pizza palettes, and I might have something else, but I can't recall at the moment. But I'm going to share with you guys here what came in this. It did retail for $99. However, I did have a coupon code, which I will link down below as well, and you guys can try and see if it works. I don't know if it's a one-time use, but it didn't specify. And I did save on it, so I actually got it with shipping and everything. I got free shipping, no tax. For some reason I got no tax. I don't know why, but it's from California. So I got maybe the amount included tax, I'm not sure. But I paid a total of $84, I want to say. So I think that's an awesome, awesome steal. So I'm super excited. So let's just get into it. And let me show you guys what I got. It said it would have 11 items total. It said, I think it would be 5 palettes if I remember correctly. I'll try to put the information down below. Like I said, I'm just super excited. I want to get it filmed for you guys. So I'm not 100% on all the info at the moment because my mind's everywhere. But let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I did get is the GLAMLITE Diner Restaurant Wipes. Super cute. Look at how cute that is. It's pink and white, checkered. It reminds me of the Bob's Burgers in California. I've never tried these, so I am really excited to try them. I have heard good things about them. Hopefully they do not irritate my skin or anything, but I've heard nothing but good things, so glad to have that. The next thing that I see is a pair of lashes. These are the burger lashes. And let's try to take the seal off. I guess I should have grabbed my scissors. Oh, they're right there. So I'm going to save the seal just in case. Oh, those are so pretty. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. They're just super thin. They don't look super thick, and they're completely full. So these I'm going to keep for myself. Some of this I may give away because I may have duplicates. Like I saw that they were adding a couple of things that I might have. So I'm going to put that away for a gift or a giveaway. Okay, paper, come off of my hand. The next thing that I got, and I do have these already, are the Garnitas Taco Lashes. And I have somebody in mind that I'm going to pass these to. It's completely sealed, so we're not going to open it. But I will show you guys. I'll grab mine and show you what they look like real quick. And there it is there. Same packaging, same pair. And I have worn them, and I really, really do love them. They're super full and glamorous. So yeah, I'm so excited for the person I'm giving them to because I know they're going to love them because I absolutely love them as well. So I knew there was a chance that I was going to get duplicates, and that's why I said I was hoping I didn't get the taco ones, but the fact that I did is okay because I know exactly who I'm going to give them to. As soon as I grabbed it, their name popped in my head, and that's who is going to get it. So the next thing that I got is, and I do not have this, is the burger palette. Oh my gosh. And you guys, the packaging and everything is so like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, if you guys are not familiar with GLAMLITE, they do everything food-based for the most part. A lot of like different kind of things. And I love that about the brand. It's so unique. It does remind me a little bit of the what's that brand? Bakery Beauty. It reminds me of that, but theirs is more based on bakery items, where this is food items, and I absolutely love it. And the owner, her name is Giselle, and I watched a few of it. I've seen her on YouTube, a few of her videos, and she basically came from not very much. And I'm just so happy for her. She's doing awesome, awesome things, and such a awesome accomplishment, especially for a female, because, you know, it's a little harder for women out in the business world. But it comes in this little wrapping like this. How stinking cute is that? Like when you get a burger. I love that. So that's so cute. And then it has like actual feel of a burger, like the bun. This is too cute. It does have a mirror, and these are some big pans. Look at that. This is a really nice palette. So it has your browns, your oranges. It's just a mixture and a variety. It looks like it might have a couple like cream shadows. And then the rest are like shimmers and mattes. Tons of mattes, which is super nice. I'm super, super excited about this. I don't want to swatch anything or anything like that because I want to play in this, and then I'll share it then with you guys. But that is so cute. I don't want to rip the little bag. Man, this is absolutely adorable. Absolutely love that. Excited for that. The next item I see in here is the pizza palette. Now, I do have the two individual pizza palettes. I have the meat lovers and the veggie lovers. And I love them. They're so pigmented. I mean, like, so pigmented. But this looks like just a small little personal size pizza box that you would get. And I actually think this is going to be exactly like the ones that I have. The shape is not the same, but the colors in it in general are going to be the same. So I may consider passing this and giving it for a gift, because if it's the same shades, I don't know that it's necessary for me to have this and those. So that is what it looks like your own little personal pizza. It does say on the back, warning, do not eat. That's cute. Oh my gosh. And it does have a mirror, and it is laid out differently than the one that I have. But I have to double check and see the ones that I have. They're individual slices, but if they're the same shades, then I may have to pass this, because again, there's no point in keeping all of it if I already have them in the singles. So I will definitely double check. Now, if the shades are different, then I will keep it. I never really paid attention to that aspect, if the slices are the same shades as the whole pizza, because I think the slices came out after this, if I remember correctly, but we will see. And all of that right there. Come on, focus. Cover my face. Do you see that? Where it has all the toppings listed. So cute. Okay, so 2 palettes so far. And then I see a card in here, and it just says a little bit about Giselle. This is what she looks like, and she's wearing a pizza, I guess, hoodie and blanket, which is super cute. My nephew would love, love, love that, because he loves pizza. And I did get him for his birthday a pizza blanket off Amazon, but he would love the hoodie, I'm sure. Okay, the next thing in here that I see, actually the next 3 things, is some lip products. One of these I do have already, so this will be getting passed as well. This is the Red Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and this thing does not, it's beautiful, the color. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging, but I'll show you mine real quick. I'll grab it. The color is absolutely gorgeous. When it's a true red. It doesn't budge like it says. It definitely stays put, and it's so beautiful. I do not have this. This is the Champurrado. It says, let's see, oh, Mexican chocolate, which I drank a lot growing up, but I didn't know it was called that. Maybe it wasn't, I just never paid attention. But this is a gloss, and I do have the, I think it's the Churro or Chata lip gloss as well, and I love it. That's super pretty. It's like a nude with a little bit of sparkle in it. Very pretty. And then the other lip that I received is the Coconut Margarita. This is a gloss as well. And this is what the packaging looks like. Just love all the little concepts. Okay, so this is not the color I thought it would be. It's like it's not coming off on camera correctly, but it's like a pinky, really pretty, like Barbie pink with some sparkle. Really, really pretty. Let's just smell it. Oh, it smells so good. I do have quite a bit in this shade in my collection, so I may consider passing that to the same friend that I wanted to pass the lashes to. So we'll see. It's not something that I have to keep. Like, it's very pretty, but I don't need that many glosses because honestly, I don't even use that much. Okay, the next thing that I see in here is another palette. This is the GLAMLITE Viva Taco palette. And this is one that I have wanted for a long, long time. And I just did not purchase it because I kept telling myself I don't need it and all of that. But it's so cute. It says, what's your favorite topping on the inside of the box? So cute. You guys know my favorite word of all time is so cute. So if you hear that 100 bazillion times, I'm sorry in advance. My husband always tells me because he watches my videos, and he's like, one of my last videos, I think it was a TJ Maxx haul or Dollar Tree, and he's like, I just want you to know in that video you said so cute 30 something times. I'm like, okay. So anyways, this is the back of it. Very nice. Again, it says warning, do not eat. And it's just a fun, bright palette. Does have a mirror. The pans are huge. Definitely some fun pops of color in there for sure. Very, very nice. Very, very cute. Okay. This one here I have been wanting to for so long and never purchased it or bit the bullet. But this is the cake palette, and it comes like in a little oven right there. And my friend Beth had gotten this some time back, and I seen her using it, and I was like, I need that palette, but I just kept holding off on it. But again, there's another code in there, which I will put at the bottom of the screen for you guys. And I'm going to open this one because I know I'm keeping it. This, like you're opening the oven. Very, very cute. Look at that. How cute is that? Now, I will say mine in the top got a little damaged, but that's okay. It will be okay. So again, it looks like an actual cake. It has a mirror, and then here are the beautiful shades right there. So pretty, you guys. Another fun, bright palette. Just definitely a unique palette, but I love this and so excited to have it. All right, so the last item that I got, the paint palette. And this is what it looks like, and it looks like an actual paint right there. This is so nice. These are some, one thing I will say about the palettes though, they're very, very big. So when it comes to storing them, it's not going to be easy for sure, by no means. But I'm debating if I want to open this one or not. just in case I decide that I want to pass it along. But I don't know that I will. But again, that is it. I'm sure you guys are familiar with this palette. This is one of the older ones, and that is what it looks like again. Yeah, I don't want to open it just in case I decide not to keep it and I want to pass it as a gift. Because whenever I do get things, I don't always want to keep everything for myself because I don't need everything. I definitely want to be able to pass it to either a gift for a friend or giveaway or something like that. So quickly to recap, we got the paint palette. We got the cake palette, which I know I want to keep. The taco palette. We got the pizza palette. Again, if this is the same as my slices, I may pass this one on. We got the burger palette right there. So cute. So how many palettes is that? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we did get the 5 palettes that they stated that you would get. And then I got the 3 lip products, which was the Champurrado, I think is how you say it, gloss, which I'm for sure keeping. The Red Velvet liquid lipstick, which I already have. And then the Margarita coconut gloss, which I think I'm going to pass because I don't need that many glosses. I'd rather keep the other one. We got, this is mine. We got the GLAMLITE Carnitas Taco Lashes. We got the Diner Wipes right there, which I'm keeping. And then we got the Burger Lashes, which I am keeping as well because they are really, really cute. And is that everything? I think that's everything. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we did get 11 items like it said. It's retailed for $99. I got it for $84 and some change. I'll put the exact amount because I had the GLAM15 code, which I will also put down below if you guys want to check it out as well. And I know that for sure this would retail way more than that. So I think I got an awesome, awesome deal. And I did get it to just share with you guys too. I like to do that so I can share with you guys what I get and great finds and all of that. So that is everything that I got in my GLAMLITE Black Friday box. I'll get the correct name for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below if you were able to get your hands on this box as well. I apologize about the lighting going bright and non-bright. I'm sitting right in front of my TV and it keeps changing the color. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up. Again, let me know down below if you got this box. And if we had the same box, I'm pretty sure they might be. I know the palettes might be the same, but I think the little items are not going to be the same. So let me know if you got this, and if you have a video, I'd love to come over and watch it. But if it's still available, I will link it down below for you guys as well. I know that they say that they go pretty fast because it's such a great value. So definitely, if it is available, it will be linked for you down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I hope that you have a very blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.